Hi, my name is Ilya, and in this video I wanted to show you an interesting trick that you can use Bitskout for, and it's basically digitizing your knowledge. I know that's a powerful statement, but hear me out. If you go to plugins, you press create. Here you have an item called understand, okay? And here you have categorize. Categorization is actually very powerful feature. It's basically reading something and understanding what it is. For example, if this message is about is a review about the amenities in the airport or assistance, if this is the ticket question or sales question, these are all classification problems that you already know how to do in your head when you read something. Now you can digitize that, and that's actually very powerful. It's very simple to do. You just need to start, and you can start setting up things manually. And you start adding examples. So one of the examples, let's say we can create a classification of leads. So if you are in sales or marketing, you receive leads. It's basically some company is interested in your services, and you need to qualify those to pass it to a proper contact. If it's a big company, you want a special team to work on that. And if it's a small company, there are teams for that as well. So let's say we can create this following classification. Let's say VP of marketing. Probably the label is a whale. It's a very big company, and VP of marketing has a very big budget. So, but then you can add a smaller company. Let's say Mike's Barber Shop Chain Manager of Operations. That's probably not a enormous company, and you can call them a squirrel. Okay, classify them as squirrel. And you can start adding those examples more and more and more. And the more you add them, the more custom it becomes to what you think is a whale, is a squirrel, not the AI. And this way it allows you to convert the knowledge that you have in your head about your sales process, about your marketing, into a digital plugin. And then what you can do is you can basically save it as a template for the company. Let's say lead classification. Bitskout own knowledge. All right, and then we can save our plugin as a template for our organization. What means is that any sales or marketing or any employee that we get will use this plugin. They will not know how we classify those, and if there are mistakes, we can update the plugin, but we don't have to explain it all over again. So onboarding is now 5 days less. You don't have to teach people how to do that, because the AI will classify that for them. They just need to give us the company name and the position of the person. And you can create as many plugins as you want of similar kind. Reading text, reading information, reading tickets, classifying reviews, reading orders, if it's a hard order or not, if it's an international order or not. So all these things you can easily classify, converting whatever knowledge you have into plugins. And that's why it's really powerful, because it then allows you to create more custom automations, more sophisticated solutions just for you. And we give you tools to do that easily with clicks. So this is how a combination of a plugin plus a template works together. But if you are a partner, you can also save a template to your customers. So if you're a partner of the Bitskout, you can create a deep use cases. Deep use cases means that you can create a use case not only when there is a tool involved, it's also there is knowledge and intelligence involved. Let's say you can create a use case for airports to analyze the reviews using Asana, Monday, or whatever tool, plus your classification system that you can create by yourself, by just downloading data from internet. There are many sites with reviews. You can create a plugin. So that's why it's so powerful when you can control the AI, and that's what we give it to you. Thank you very much for your attention.